Here we go, peeps. Thanks for tuning in. Passeig de Gracia. Let's get to work. It's a public holiday and people are looking so good today. I'm so excited to shoot. Hope you guys are doing good. Look at it out here, you guys. Fall is so beautiful. Don't forget, you guys, if you want to be shouted out on my channel this month, hashtag your best pictures with Who's Your Brad when you upload them to Instagram, and I'm going to be shouting out my favorite pictures. Anything fall related, but it can be a portrait, it can be street photography. Just hit me with your best, guys. Hola, perdón. Hola. You're good, you're good. I'm shooting a video for my YouTube channel, taking photos of strangers, and I like your look. If you want a picture.
Okay, cool. Why not? See?
Yes.
Wow.
Let's go over here.
Yeah?
Let's get some of that sound.
Smile.
We'll do. I'll tell you.
Tell me what.
I'll tell you what to do. You're from England, yeah?
Yeah, from London.
Nice. Okay, New Zealand.
Nice.
Yeah. Okay, so if you want to leave the bags,
yeah,
you can leave them here with me.
Can you run fast?
Really fast.
No, it's because I'm going to chase you if anything happens.
Ah, okay.
I'm joking.
I thought you mean if somebody comes to steal it, I'll catch them.
I'll be running with you.
Yeah, let's go then.
Alright, I'll leave these by your feet.
Perfect. That already looks so dope. Come, let's go a little bit over.
Yeah.
Can someone please take that bin away?
Would it help if I stood in front of it?
Let's see, I think.
Yeah.
Oh, just, yeah, standing hands in the pockets. Yeah. Oh yes, that's a really cool look. And should we try some in movement?
Okay.
So if you're standing here, yeah, you got it.
I didn't even ask your name, that was so rude.
It's Brad.
Brad.
And yours?
Brad.
Shanae.
Sorry, that was really rude of me.
You're good. All good.
Okay, serious?
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, that looks so nice. Yes, perfect. One more like that. Check them out.
Oh my goodness, I don't even recognize myself.
Looks good.
They do, no they do. I love that one. Oh wow.
But they look cool.
They do look so cool.
English, perfect, better.
Yeah.
For my channel, I'm doing a video taking photos of strangers for my YouTube channel.
Yeah.
If you want a portrait, and I can send it to you too, just over here.
Yeah, of course, why not?
Uh-huh. Yeah,
okay.
perfect. Where are you from?
From Lithuania.
Oh, no way.
I never do that.
First time. Just there like this?
I have to...
Yeah, can I get one hand in your pocket as well? One hand.
Like this?
Yeah, perfect. And looking in this direction. Over here? Yeah. And one more here. A little bit serious. A little bit.
Serious?
Yeah, looking at me. Oh, I love that look. That's really good. Stay there. And let's try one more with this background here.
Okay.
See? And one hand again in the pocket, standing back a little bit. Perfect. Just stay there. Serious again. Yeah. Boom. Have a look.
Nice, thank you.
See?
Yeah, could you send me it?
Of course.
So nice to meet you.
Yes,
and
you
have
too.
a nice day.
You too. What's your name?
Ritis.
Ritis.
Yeah.
Estoy grabando un video sacando fotos de gente desconocida cuando me gusta su look. Si os queréis un retrato.
Ah, vale.
Sí. Y la luz de aquí es súper chula. Tú, sí, creo que tú aquí. Y no, contigo también.
Ah, yo también.
Juntos. Sí. Un poquito más cerca. Sí.
¿Sí?
Yes. Guay. Yes, perfect. Y ahora juntos así, tú.
¿De cara?
Cara a cara, sí.
O sea, así, mira.
Yes, and mira, con una. Yes, man, y esta mano también. Chico, esta mano Sí. Yes, that's so cool. And one more, guys. ¿Me mires? Yeah, mira.
¿A dónde podemos
¿Tienes
encontrar las
Instagram?
fotos?
Yeah, look at this one. That's super chulo.
Qué guay. ¿Tienes Instagram?
Sí.
Ay, muchas gracias.
Todo bien.
Gracias.
Ok, chicos.
Muchas
Buen día. Adiós. Chao. Look at this sun, you guys. Hola. Estoy grabando un video sacando fotos a gente desconocida. Si quieres un retrato.
¿Para qué es?
YouTube.
YouTube.
Mhm.
Pictures and shit. Okay. Okay.
Uh huh. Where are you from?
Honduras. Honduras.
Oh, cool. I've never met anybody from there yet. Not from the channel. Not on the channel. The first time I've met someone from there.
Oh.
La primera vez.
Okay.
You want to go over here? The light is really nice.
Sure.
Damn, so you never got your picture from Madrid? You never took it in the end? Like the guy never sent it to you?
No.
Oh.
Like he said, like, give me your email, I'll send it to you. He never sent it to me. Like this happened like 2 months ago.
Ah, okay.
So now I'm very
So now I've
thankful.
come here to give you the real picture. Don't worry. See. Oh, that looks so dope. Yeah. Let me just wait for this girl to walk past. Let's go a tiny bit to a little bit here. Stay there. And let's go one more, a little bit to the, yeah. Stay there. Okay, nice. And you want to try one like walking towards me and just walking really slowly, doing your thing. I think the last one was really nice. Oh, and actually just stay like this with the hair, come back in this position. Yeah, it's like I'm trying to get the light in your hair, that's perfect. Boom. Check these out. These are so cool.
Oh, I love them. Oh, that is so
But your
nice.
smiling ones are really nice.
I love that one.
Yeah. And these.
Wow. Wow, I love that one. Like so much.
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It's like so in the moment.
Yeah. That one, the other one was nice as well. You're so great. You got talent.
Thank you. That's dope
Oh,
too.
so nice. Oh my god.
Yes.
I'm in love.
You're gonna be on the thumbnail. That's awesome.
Thanks.
No probs. Let me give you my details and I will
Okay.
actually send them to you.
Okay, thank you.
Like, free time as well. I do a reel as well.
Real? Okay.
For Instagram, for example, like this one here, we do like a little shoot and then the pictures and stuff at the end.
Wow.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Okay, and now start walking around. Perfect, yes. And you can be a little bit faster too, because it's going to be slow-mo. Love it. Yes.
So cool.
You'll see the final.
I'll love it. I know.
You're gonna
I
see it.
just know I'll love it.
So let me give you your bag.
I'm glad I could help you out with that. It was so much fun.
Yeah, it's going to be really cool.
So I'll be expecting the reel.
Yep.
That was so nice.
See you on YouTube
Yeah.
and Instagram.
Nice to meet you.
You too. Have a good trip.
Thank you.
See you later. Estoy grabando un video sacando fotos de gente desconocida.
Sí.
Si os queréis un retrato.
Vale.
Sí.
Sí.
¿Quieres hacérselo a ella que va No, más?
a las dos.
Sí, podemos. Sí, pero retratos. Entonces una y una.
Ah, vale, sí.
Sí. Guay. Okay, let's go. Vamos aquí. un efecto atrás.
Vale, ¿de alguna forma particular?
¿Guarda la mascarilla?
Ah, guarda
Sí.
la mascarilla.
Pero las gafas está bien, sí. Guay. ¿Y por eso así? Con... Ajá. Yes, perfect. Pues me encanta. ¿Y una más aquí? Sí. And again. Oh, aguanta ahí. Sí. Yes, mirando arriba. Allá. A mí una vez. Guay.
¿Qué tal?
Súper bien.
¿Sí? Venga, Alice. A ver.
Que la modelo ya la tienes, ¿eh? Que no te hace falta otra.
¡Ay, qué chulas! ¡Qué guay! ¿De dónde eres?
¡Qué guay!
Nueva Zelanda.
¿De Nueva Zelanda?
¿Nueva Zelanda?
Sí.
¡Hola, qué lejos!
Ujú.
Sí.
¿Y vosotros?
De aquí.
Aquí, Barcelona.
De Barcelona,
Sí. Ajá.
las dos.
Sí, pero ya hace 3 años.
Es que hablas bien
vives aquí,
español.
Ah, gracias.
¿Y te gusta vivir aquí?
Estoy aquí, me encanta,
Sí.
me encanta.
¿Y publicas en algún lado?
YouTube.
Ah, en YouTube.
Sí.
Ah, vale.
¡Ey! Sí.
Muy bien, muy bien.
¿Quieres uno también, no?
Venga, va, Alice,
No,
va,
es que
va.
ahora es que hoy,
¿No?
hoy no es el día, no.
Tía,
Otro día
fíjate
sí
cómo
te
guarro.
digo que-
Y la meva que... Fíjate cómo guarro.
Sí, sería guay. Vamos, vamos.
Tía, va, va.
Yes, mira, tenemos un set ahora, ¿no?
Claro.
Súper bien,
Venga,
sí.
va, va.
Y creo que con las gafas sería...
Tía, ya que estás oyendo, et queden superbé. Venga, va. Hola. Vivón.
Oh, guay.
¿Sí?
Yes, me encanta. Yes. ujú. Mira, mira. Vas a encantar, mira.
Ay, tía, qué guapa. Es que es como muy French.
Qué mono.
ella,
Sí.
¿verdad?
Yes.
Sí, es como
Mira.
super French.
Ay, qué
Divina,
mono.
Sí, ¿no? Súper bien.
Súper bien. Oye, ¿cómo te llamas?
Ah, me llamo Brad.
Brad. Como Brad.
El mío nombre es Brad.
Vale. El
el
meu
meu
nom
nom
és Brad.
Brad.
Molt bé.
Me mole, sí. Ok.
Espérate, te vamos a seguir en Instagram.
En Instagram, sí, o YouTube.
WhosYourBrad.
Y si me mandas un mensaje con tu correo, te mando las fotos
Ah, genial.
también.
Vale, ya
Vale,
te
yo
saco una
fotos
foto.
que yo no tengo batería.
Guay, encantado.
Igualmente, Brad, que vaya muy bien.
Yes, tú
Un
también.
placer.
Sí, hasta
Chao, chao.
luego.
Adiós.
Adiós.